Hi viewers, today we are reviewing some of the best mini drones with camera available in the market. We have selected these products according to their price, durability, and user satisfaction. Check the description box below for more information about the listed products. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more product reviews. On number 5 we have DJI Mini 2. It weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. It is compact and convenient. This small drone is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. Its Mini 2 supports up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities that's giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. On number 4 we have Ryze Tello. You can just pull out your phone to fly anytime or anywhere with intuitive controls. You can see the world from the sky. Whether you are at a park or hanging out at home, you can always take off and experience the world from exciting new perspectives. Its Tello has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable, and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. On number 3 we have SIMREX X300C. This SIMREX dual sense control can also be remotely controlled using a mobile phone or remote control. The drone is designed with propeller protection ring, which greatly protects the aircraft from being damaged to a certain extent and extends its service life. It has powerful air pressure altitude hold function. You can release the throttle stick and the drone will keep the current height. On number 2 we have Holy Stone GPS drone. The optical flow positioning system is typically used in indoor environment. When GPS signal is weak or unavailable, you can submit a route you draw on app, then the drone will fly along the path you set. The aircraft can shoot stable aerial shots. When Follow Me function is enabled, drone follow the GPS in your smartphone to follow you whenever you go. On number 1 we have DJI Mavic Mini. The new DJI Fly app offers a simple and intuitive user experience that's enabling you to create cinematic shots with just a few taps. It even has Flight Tutorial, a feature to help you get started with Mavic Mini quickly and safely. Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone. This makes it exceptionally portable and places it in the lowest and safest weight class of drones. Hope this review helps you to finalize product according to your need.